Be a little bit more specific. And so we have an increase in heat. We're going to communicate with the regulator. Tell me what the effectors are. What are the effectors in this particular case? This scenario where heat goes up, we need to bring body temperature down. Sweat glands, right? So our sweat glands have the appropriate output. The appropriate output is to produce more sweat. Very straightforward, simple example of a homeostatic mechanism. Now, are they going to get more complicated? Of course they are. Okay, but by the time they do get more complicated, we'll be much smarter than we are right now. We'll be able to figure it out. All right? How about we go the other direction? How about we're cold? How about it's the end of the semester? It's November, and it's really cold outside. What do we do when we're really cold? Don't say put a coat on. We don't have a coat. What's that? We shiver. That's part of the homeostatic mechanism. So we're going to shiver now to raise our body temperature, and that is why you shiver. Something that you don't control. So in this particular case, again, we have the same regulator. We have receptors that are detecting temperature. What did I call them before? Temperature receptors? I did, so we'll call them that again. And now instead we have cold. The regulator knows that it's cold because these receptors are communicating with it via the nervous system, by the way. And so now we're going to have effectors. In this particular case, how do you shiver, by the way? What's happening? Anybody know? Yeah, your muscles are contracting rapidly, almost violently, so much so that they're shaking your body. They're increasing their metabolic rate, and as we'll learn soon in this lecture, during metabolism, we produce heat. So as your muscles are increasing their metabolic rate, they're producing more heat, and they're raising your body temperature back to where it's supposed to be. So shivering is a good thing. All right. So our effectors then would be the muscles connected to your bones, which are called skeletal muscles. And the appropriate output is, shiver is the, let's put contract. So contraction, more contraction of the muscles. Okay? Now, are those the only things that are involved in regulating body temperature? No, not even close. But again, the ones that are more obvious to us, that I would like you to know from the exam. Now, is any of this on in the notes? Do I say anything about skeletal muscles, sweating? I don't. That's why you've done the lecture, because we expand on those notes. Those notes are just an outline. We're here to learn then, and in order to learn better, we need to expand on those notes, and that's what we're doing. So, could you see this on the exam? Absolutely, I'm sure you could. All right, I can almost guarantee that you will. If I do something extra from the notes, if I take the time to do it, you can probably be rest assured it'll more than likely be on the exam in one way, shape, or form. Okay? So we just drew a few pictures, and what those pictures did is it took care of everything down to that. What we didn't talk about, however, is something called positive feedback. We talked about negative feedback. That's bringing the level of something down when it's too high, or bringing the level of something up that's too low. It's part of homeostasis. It's in the picture. Positive feedback, what is it? That has nothing to do with homeostasis. Doesn't mean it's bad, though. Positive feedback is a mechanism that occurs if it needs to occur, in order for something to occur properly. I'll give you 3 examples. Childbirth. Childbirth, we need positive feedback. Lactation, that is mom breastfeeding the baby after childbirth. That is a positive feedback mechanism. Blood clotting. If I came up to you and I cut you, and you started to bleed, eventually you stop bleeding, you need a positive feedback mechanism in order for that to occur. If it doesn't, you're going to continue to bleed. Things we'll talk about in more detail later. All right, so if we have to draw positive feedback, what would that look like? Well, negative feedback looks like this. Positive feedback looks like this. So there's still a set point for something. It doesn't matter what it is. In this particular case, if we were talking about childbirth or lactation, we would be talking about a couple of hormones that we'll talk about next semester. But under other circumstances, they revolve around that set point But then what happens is an event occurs where as the level of something goes up, it just keeps on going up, and keeps on going up, and keeps on going up, and keeps on going up. So now we're up here. Now earlier on I said if we're above the normal level, that's bad. Well, there's a few exceptions to the rule. Okay, and childbirth's one of them, lactation is another one. Okay, the stopping bleeding is another one. So there are almost always exceptions to rules. And positive feedback, which is what this is, and if you look at the definition in your notes, it does say that it is a specific event that occurs that's necessary. But after the event is over, after mom has birthed the baby, after mom has decided no longer to breastfeed, after the bleeding has stopped, everything's coming right back, or at least it should. Then negative feedback will take over, and everything is good again. All right? But this is not part of homeostasis. As it clearly states in your notes, it does not contribute to homeostasis. It doesn't mean that it's bad, though. It's necessary. Yes?
Would it be an example?
I'm sorry?
Would a fever be positive feedback?
Would a fever be positive feedback? No. A fever occurs because of events. You have a pathogen in the body called a pyrogen, and then it causes things to occur that we'll talk a little bit about more on later, to raise your body temperature so that you can fight the infection a little bit better. But is it positive feedback? No. I mean, I guess the answer is no. But that was good thinking, though, because the temperature is above what it's supposed to be, and it was a necessary thing to happen. By the way, if you guys have a fever, if you can take the discomfort, leave it alone. Even a little kid, you know, those of you that have young kids, moms and dads get all panicky, baby's got a temperature of 102, 103, and they're thinking their brain's gonna start to fry. No, it's not. If your child does not look uncomfortable, let it alone. Now, if it's 106, 107, okay, maybe you start to worry a little bit. But 101, 102, 103, baby's fine. Okay, brain's not gonna start to ooze out of their ears, and they're gonna die. That ain't gonna happen. Okay? Anyway, you don't have to know that really take. All right, so anyway, homeostasis. This metabolism here. Hear the word all the time, metabolism, metabolism, metabolism. What is it? Metabolism is just all chemical reactions in your body. That's all it is. There are some reactions that make bigger molecules from smaller molecules, and there are some reactions where there are big molecules that are chopped up. And so if we do a very, very, very simple picture of metabolism, this is what we would have. Again, what we're doing right now is fairly straightforward and easy, and a lot of you might have already had a bunch of this stuff already. I'm just reminding you what that is for those of you that haven't. Those of you that haven't had this stuff yet, we're acclimating ourselves to many more things that are going to come. I don't want you to get a false sense of security that the first exam is going to be so cakey because of the information that we're going to be going over for the first exam isn't super difficult. Okay, I'll give you another stat. I gave you a stat that first day after I was here to try to scare you a little bit. That is how many students failed the course in the past. Doesn't mean it's going to happen here. But what was it? 40-ish%, somewhere in there. I'll give you the statistic as to how many students failed the first exam. Not the course, the first exam is about the same. Okay, so in the past, the number of students that failed the first exam, that is, get a D or an F, 40, 45%. Okay? Doesn't mean it's going to happen with you guys. Okay? I'd love to tell the next incoming class in the spring, you know, that 3,100 class in the fall, everybody got an A on the first exam. I'd love to say that. All right? Doesn't mean that can't happen, by the way. Everybody can get an A in this class, everybody get an A on every single exam. You just have to do what you need to do it, or at least try. Okay? Anyway, so let's talk about catabolism and anabolism. This is a molecule. These circles are representing a molecule. So circle equals molecule. It doesn't matter what molecule it is. And that right there, that whole thing, that's a molecule as well, just bigger one. That molecule is made up of a bunch of smaller molecules. That's all. And so if we took that big molecule right there and we catabolized it, we would chop it up. We'd break up some of the bonds. That's catabolism. If we went the other direction and we took those molecules and started to stick them back together, or any molecule, doesn't matter, and we put them together, we have what's called an anabolic reaction, anabolism. protein, chop it up. Okay, take a whole bunch of amino acids, stick them together. Right, for example. All right? And for right now, that's all I'm going to say about these two things. And we'll certainly expand on this as the semester goes on, and next semester as well. Okay? We're setting the table for things to come. Okay, that's what we're doing, especially here in the beginning. And once we hit the systems, then we're going to really hit the ground running. We start things off a little slowly here. All right? Now, when it comes to metabolism, we need molecules. When it comes to homeostasis, we need molecules. When it comes to homeostasis, those molecules have to have a normal value. They have to be within a normal range. And when molecules are within a normal range, they can allow other molecules to be in a normal range. So everything talks to each other within the body. So normal levels of sodium are going to help us have normal levels for pH, normal concentrations of this. Normal levels of sodium, believe it or not, are going to help you have a normal blood pressure, a normal body temperature, and that goes for many other molecules as well. So we need normal everywhere, and normal everywhere helps normal everywhere else. And so what are the molecules that are involved here? Well, there's two kinds of molecules in your body. Inorganic molecules and organic molecules. Three inorganics are what we're going to start with. And the inorganic molecules, water, ions, acids, bases. And so we're just going to take them right in order. So let's start with water. So there are three inorganics that we're going to talk about. Again, those are the three, I just rattled them off. But we're going to start with water. And we're going to start by, before talking about what their functions are, the physiology of water, let's talk about where water is. Now, I do this because we're going to learn some terminology that's necessary for us to know to understand physiology. And that's intracellular and extracellular. So, we're going to draw this right there. All right? And we're going to learn what all of these compartments are. And as soon as I'm done, I'm then going to use these terms freely. Whatever I talk about, as soon as I'm done talking, as soon as it already knows, as soon as we go over it, it's free game for the next 2 semesters. All right? So let's do that right there. Where is water in your body? Well, it's either in cells or out of your cells. That's where water is going to reside. So we're going to draw a picture here. I'm going to draw a cell. Now, whenever I draw a cell, I draw a circle, although very few cells in your body look like circles, but it's the easiest thing to draw. And whenever I draw, by the way, I always tell you what it is. And when we get to the nervous system and how we learn, I'll explain to you at that point exactly why. All right, so that's a cell. One of the 40 trillion cells that make up your body. It's just one of them, but it represents all of them. So that's all, let's just put that there. All 40 trillion cells. That's what that circle represents. All right? And in every single one of those cells in your body, there's water. You guys know what makes up cells. See, we went over cytoplasm, for example. Right? So that's where a lot of that fluid resides. So that's inside the cell here. So we call that intracellular. Intra means inside. So the intracellular compartment is the compartment within your cell. And if we took every single bit of water out of every single cell in your body, we would remove 2/3 of the water from your body. So 2/3 of the water in your body is inside of your cells. Obviously, then the other third is outside of your cells. And that's what we call an extracellular compartment. Intracellular inside, extra outside. There are 4 extracellular compartments that I would like you to be familiar with. Number 1, and this is called many different things, but this is typically what I call it, the interstitial compartment. So if you hear me use the word compartment, you know that I'm talking about something, an area inside the cell or outside the cell. And you just have to be familiar with what these terms are, again, from this point forward. So the interstitial compartment, let's do this. So we'll have a little tally here. I've already ran out of paper. This ought to be entertaining. Okay, let's do this. I'm just going to get more paper here. So there are, again, 4 extracellular compartments.